Here is your starting point for affiliate marketing. Maybe you've been interested in affiliate marketing, but you aren't sure where to start. It can seem confusing at first, but setting up an affiliate program for your website is actually surprisingly easy. In a few simple steps, you can start a great affiliate program that will bring in a steady income. If you're an affiliate marketer who operates a blog, you definitely want to keep tabs on which blog posts are more popular and which aren't receiving any feedback. You don't want to delete unpopular blog posts, but you will want to stick with the working themes and add more content that your visitors appreciate. Understand that this is not a get-rich-quick program and it will take some time to build up a program. The initial time to get a program started may seem slow, but keep in mind that this will end up being passive income. If you do the legwork on the front end, you can continue making money for years. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, use common sense to avoid scams. If the parent company for the affiliate network has a website riddled with errors and missing pages, or even worse doesn't have a website at all, look elsewhere. Any legitimate affiliate program will have a professionally built and high-quality homepage for their users. A great affiliate marketing tip is to put Google AdSense on your site. AdSense is an ad that is placed on your site, and when the ad is clicked on by a guest on your site, you will be paid by Google for that click. If you have a site that has a lot of visitors on a regular basis, it is easy to earn some extra money using AdSense. Once you know what you are doing, setting up an effective and profitable affiliate marketing program is a snap. Before you know it, you'll be earning money and attracting more visitors to your site. Just remember what you've learned in this video, and you'll have no trouble getting your affiliate program going. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.